Want a blender that fits your life? Compact enough for a dorm or commute, but powerful enough to make a smooth, frosty shake? Today, we're ranking 5 of the best personal and portable blenders you can buy on Amazon, from the useful and affordable to the powerful and truly portable. I'll walk you through what each one does best, who it's for, and why it landed where it did. If you like product deep dives and Amazon finds, hit subscribe and let's get into it. At number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, 14 ounces. The Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is a small, no-fuss workhorse built around one clear idea: blend and go. It includes a 14-ounce BPA-free travel cup that doubles as the blending pitcher, and durable stainless steel blades that handle ice, frozen fruit, and leafy greens surprisingly well for its size. Operation is intentionally simple. A one-touch control means no complicated settings, and the compact base with a 24-inch cord fits most cup holders, so you can bring it with you on the commute or pop it in a backpack. Cleanup won't slow you down either. The jar, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe. What holds this model back from a higher ranking is that it's very basic. No multiple speeds, no high-end extraction tech, and it's not ideal for heavy, daily frozen use. Still, for someone who wants an inexpensive, reliable blend-and-go solution for quick smoothies and protein shakes, Hamilton Beach delivers dependable performance in a tiny footprint. Coming up at number 4 is the Magic Bullet 11-piece set, 250W. The Magic Bullet has earned its popularity by being extremely approachable and versatile. This 11-piece set pairs a 250-watt high-torque base with a crossblade and a variety of cups, tall, short party mug, plus resealable lids and a 10-second recipe guide to get you started. It's designed for tasks other than just smoothies: chop, grind, whip, and mix sauces, dips, or a quick omelet batter. The workflow is simple: load, twist, blend, which makes it perfect for late-night snacks or small-batch prep. Because it uses high-impact plastic cups, it's lightweight and easy to store, and the compact form is great for tiny kitchens and students. The trade-off is power. At 250 watts, it's not built to pulverize large amounts of ice or dense frozen fruit repeatedly, so it's best for lighter blending tasks. If you want an affordable, ultra-compact machine that can handle a wide range of small jobs, the Magic Bullet remains one of the most practical choices. Nutribullet Personal Blender, 600W 24 ounces, comes in at number 3. The Nutribullet is a classic for a reason. It strikes a strong balance between power and simplicity. With 600 watts under the hood, it transforms fruits, vegetables, and powders into smooth, nutrient-dense drinks fast. The essential push-twist design eliminates complicated menus. You just secure the extractor blade, press, and blend. The 24-ounce cup is roomy enough for a hearty personal smoothie and includes a to-go lid so you can take it out the door. Cleanup is fast since the blade and cup rinse off or go in the top rack of the dishwasher. What nudges Nutribullet into the middle of this list is that while it's excellent for everyday blending and nutrient extraction, it's a countertop unit rather than a truly cordless travel device. So it's ideal for someone who wants compact power for home and quick takeaways, not all-day mobile blending. For straightforward daily smoothies that actually extract more nutrients, the Nutribullet is consistently reliable. At number 2, we have the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, 700W 2x 16 ounces. The Ninja Fit brings near countertop power into a small personal setup. Its 700-watt motor and pulse technology make quick work of ice, frozen fruit, and leafy greens, and the blender is specifically designed to maximize nutrient extraction so you get a smooth, full-bodied drink. It comes with 2 16-ounce single-serve cups and spout lids, meaning you can make 2 different shakes without swapping containers, and the included 50 recipe guide gives plenty of inspiration. This model replaces an ice crusher and even some juicers for many users, thanks to its frozen blending chops. Cleanup is straightforward, BPA-free parts are dishwasher safe, and the compact base fits well in small kitchens. Why it's number 2? The Ninja Fit packs impressive performance for the price, but it's not cordless. If you want power close to a full blender in a single-serve format and you don't need battery operation, this one is a top pick. And coming up at number 1 is Ninja Blast BC 151 BK Portable, cordless 18 ounces USB-C. Topping the list is the Ninja Blast Portable Blender, which combines real blending strength with genuine portability. Its ribbed 18-ounce vessel and blast blade assembly create a powerful vortex that crushes ice and frozen ingredients into a smooth texture. And the rechargeable 7.4V motor base, USB-C, gives you cordless freedom. Blend anywhere without hunting for an outlet. Separate power and blend buttons reduce accidental starts, and the easy open sip lid plus hinged handle make it perfect for commuting, travel, or the gym. The unit also self-cleans with a 30-second water cycle and a drop of soap, and both the lid and vessel are dishwasher safe. What makes this the best in the personal portable category is the combination of strong frozen ingredient performance, practical on-the-go features, and a real rechargeable power system that doesn't compromise blending results. It's the most versatile choice for someone who wants powerful smoothies away from the kitchen without sacrificing texture or convenience. There you go. 5 top personal blenders, ranked from a dependable budget blend and go to a powerful cordless favorite. Whether you prioritize portability, raw power, or sheer convenience, there's a model here that will suit your lifestyle. Drop a comment to tell me which one you'd pick or what you use now, and if this helped you, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next Amazon finds and kitchen gadget deep dives. Happy